The Heidelberg Catechism, question 77. Where has Christ promised that he will thus feed and nourish believers with his body and blood? As certainly as they eat of this broken bread and drink of this cup. In the institution of the supper, which runs thus. The Lord Jesus Christ, the same night in which he was betrayed, took bread, and when he had given thanks, he brake it and said, Take, eat, this is my body, which is broken for you. This do in remembrance of me. After the same manner also he took the cup when he had supped, saying, This cup is the New Testament in my blood. This do ye as often as ye drink it, in remembrance of me. For as often as ye eat this bread, and drink this cup, ye do show the Lord's death till he come.